Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone, a machine designed for both capturing stunning aerial video and experiencing the thrill of FPV flight. Right out of the box, this drone presents itself as a capable piece of equipment, built with a robust carbon fiber frame that's further reinforced with 7075 aluminum, suggesting it can handle a bit of rough and tumble. Its black finish gives it a sleek, professional look. One of the standout features is the integration of the O3 air unit. This isn't just about getting a good video feed. The inclusion of dedicated memory card and USB ports directly on the unit makes managing your footage incredibly simple. No more complicated procedures to get your data off the drone. Just plug in or pop out the card. When it comes to flight performance, this drone is equipped with a high-performance motor and propeller combination, specifically the powerful Speaks 2105.5 motors. These motors, paired with the advanced F722-45 AIO flight controller, provide responsive and stable flight characteristics. The reviewer found that this setup allows for agile and dynamic maneuverability, making it suitable for both precise cinematic shots and more aggressive freestyle flying. The integrated power system also contributes to a faster response, which is crucial for both smooth filming and quick corrections during freestyle. Stability is key for quality footage, and this drone incorporates several features to achieve it. The hollow design and noise reduction capabilities are mentioned as contributing to smoother flights. Additionally, a specialized gimbal is included, specifically designed to reduce camera shake and resonance, ensuring your HD footage looks clean and professional. The GPS stability feature, mentioned in the product title, adds another layer of confidence for maintaining position and safer flights, especially outdoors. Setting up and using the drone is made straightforward thanks to a user-friendly design. The power cable and battery installation method is described as convenient, which is always a plus when you're eager to get flying. The drone comes with essential components like propellers, a remote control, a memory card, a battery, and the camera itself, meaning you have most of what you need to get started. This drone truly shines in its versatility. It's marketed as being capable of both cinematic and freestyle flight, making it a great option whether you're an enthusiast looking to capture beautiful landscapes or someone who enjoys performing acrobatic maneuvers. Its size and design also suggest it's versatile enough for use in various environments, both indoor and outdoor, offering a wide range of aerial tasks it can handle. Overall, this 3.5-inch drone appears to be a well-rounded package for adults interested in advanced FPV, flying, and high-quality aerial photography.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.